Hey guys, it is Greg again with a Near Protocol update. Let's see what's going on with Near Protocol. I actually like what I'm seeing. Near Protocol is coming back around to complete a correction. It's down to $10 right now, $10.76, and I'm expecting it to get down to the $5 to $7 range is kind of the area that I'm going to start looking at this coin and going, okay, is it coming up on a correction? And I made some previous videos on Near Protocol, and one of the reasons Near Protocol, in my opinion, now it's only my opinion, as long as the sequence plays out. If I see this sequence, Near Protocol maintains this sequence, then I am calling Near Protocol is going to be the next Solana in the next wave run going up. And what I mean by that is not that Near Protocol is a better chain than Solana or better chain than everything else. I'm saying that because of the sequence setup that Near Protocol has right now and the run that it's going to make going into a wave 3 of a 3. And if it maintains, again, if it maintains this sequence, considering you have to take in consideration all other portions of the market, what is going on. I'm not going to go into detail about that just because we could sit here for 3 hours and talk about, well, what's the SP going to do? What's Fed going to do with raising rates and becoming more hawkish, et cetera, things like that. So in the meantime, I am just trading the market during the bull cycle, or not the bull cycle, the bear cycle that we have right now, and actively looking over the next 60, maybe 90-ish days or something like that for Near Protocol's correction to possibly finish and then going into a wave 3 of a 3. And if it maintains that sequence, I'll show you guys how Near Protocol will make you a millionaire and what you need to do to become a millionaire with Near Protocol. Okay? Because if you're in a wave 3 of 3 sequence, you want to allocate. You know, these are areas of coins where you want to start going, okay, hey, I want to start allocating maybe a little bit more in this area because there's a potential for more upside on a coin like this, okay? Now, that's not to say that if Near Protocol something happens, the sequence can be broken and Near Protocol, whatever, the chain blows up, something like that, or something, you know, and then it's just no more and Near Protocol's gone. That can happen, okay? You know, I'm not saying that will, I'm just saying things can just happen. You have to be aware of that. Anytime you make some sort of investment, not financial advice, you're taking a risk. But I'm going to be, me personally, if you want to know, I will be allocating more to this coin than to other coins because of this setup. That's the only reason, okay? So if it breaks the setup, then I will change my strategy. So, but so far so good. But on Near Protocol here, you can see it made a nice wave 1, 2, and up here's a nice wave 1. And you can see with here the divergence. Here's your 3, okay, right there. And this would be your wave 5 of your 1. So 3 of 1, 5 of 1. And then it made another one right here where you can see with your divergence on the daily, that's good, make it a wave 1. So there's your 3 of 1, there's your 5 of 1. This would be a primary wave 1, that would be a minor wave 1. So it's going to be going into minor wave 3 of primary wave 3. Okay, now this is all just a guess and an estimate right now for me. You know, my assumption is that this minor wave 3 may do something like that. I don't know, or maybe this minor wave 3 may extend. I really don't know, guys. So don't count these where I have those laid out exactly where they're going to go. So you just have to be open to things change and you could have different targets. So it went through here and all this area where, you know, this is very unusual. This is a sign of a bullish coin, and because it just hasn't come down to when to correct it. And in my opinion, this is people just buying the coin because it was going up. It was a bullish coin. People saw it going up. It came back down. People kept buying it going up. And, you know, eventually it's going to come down to do its second wave correction. So it was inevitable that that was at some point going to happen. So here's its wave one, and now it's up in this area, and I'm expecting it to come down. So let's dig in a little bit deeper to that to show you guys a little bit what's going on and what I kind of think is happening here near protocol. So it did a nice three-wave move. Now this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a possibility. I don't think so with near protocol. It could be. I just have to see how that plays out. I think it's more because it's been doing three-wave swings. It's going to be three-wave-ish on the way down for near protocol. So I'm thinking that was like an X wave, and then now it'll do a three-wave swing down to here, okay, and that'll finish up this portion of it. And then again, what you'll likely see again is another bounce, significant bounce, and then a swing back down into that box, something like that. If the correction continues to go on, it will just it will continue to be swings down to the box. So like this, guys, just a bigger swing and then down like that. Okay, if it continues to go on, so you want to be aware of that too. So my target area is somewhere generally from the high end is 7. I would like to see near protocol come down to the $3.50 area. That would be better, in my opinion, for near protocol. And the reason I say that is if we just pop out here, let me pop out here to the 8-hour chart and just going off this wave one here, okay, and doing a retracement on that wave, you can see just there in the golden pocket, the area. So near protocol needs to come down into these areas to really, really make it a nice down to that area. And I think it's going to be possible, even if Bitcoin goes down to say 30,000 or 28,000 or something like that, that should be able to drag near protocol down now pretty decent. Take it off log, and you can see still the golden pocket area is about $6. And then coming down to 786 and even 90%, which is actually nice and deep. I don't expect near protocol to go 90%. And the reason that I say that, it could, I don't expect it to. The reason I say that is you take a look at its last wave over here, okay, on and off log, this wave correction, and just you can use this wave as an example. It's past history. You can see, you know, it hit the golden pocket, which is it's good, bullish sign. And then off log on its second wave correction over here, that second wave did go down and almost get that 90%. So you say 786, halfway in between. So very nice waves for near protocol. And you would expect something similar over here. So I think, in my opinion, a lot of people are going to be surprised to see near protocol at say $5, $7. They really are. And then once it's down there, it's going to be the same thing as the other coins. Oh, what's happening in near protocol? What's going on? You know, when you start hearing that, that's the time you want to start looking for bottoms and probably you know, start getting the that green button, that green buy button ready, possibly. So off a log, you know, 786 or 618 area. Is that's really where you want to see it, guys. You really want to see that at $3.60 to get confirmation that that is a wave one. Okay, so yeah, like 786, so about the same area. I would expect the same thing on near protocol with these levels. Okay, so right now, technically, just to let you guys know on Elliott waves, technically, you can't even say if it stays up there and just keeps going, you couldn't call this a wave one. So a wave 1, 2, because the wave of this wave one, you need at least right here, you need at least 50% retracement to call this a 1, 2. Otherwise, it's something else. So that's why I'm expecting that. If it doesn't happen, then things change. But I'm expecting it to get down there just to get general target areas. Okay. On near protocol. So it does come down here and hits these $3, $4, and $5 targets over the next 60 days. Maybe it could even be pushed out farther, guys, 90 to 120 days. And you're down here, you get the coin for this area, generally speaking. And then my next target on its conservative third wave target is going to be about $120. Okay, something like that. So you can go from this area back up to, say, about 116 bucks. You're looking at a 33x. Okay. Now, I actually, in my deal here, I think it's going to go higher if it maintains this sequence of a three, and my target beyond that will be over $300. Okay, so for near protocol, if this count sequence maintains and it does come down to do this correction into this area, and it's like, okay, boom, second wave correction, a minor, and then a primary, and then boom, near protocol is going into a 3 of a 3. My target is going to be $300, more or less, in that area. And this is I don't want to say it's conservative, but it's like not some sort of moon math or anything crazy or anything like that. You can go way higher on this coin, but I would suspect that. So this is going to be wave 3 of 3, and minor wave 3, and then right here primary wave 3, and this wave can start moving, guys, because it's going to be in a very bullish sequence. Okay, now I'm not going to go over the other markets of what's going on there, but I did it in other videos of what can happen. So what I suspect, just based off the other markets, because like Bitcoin and the DXY, is that I think that in this area, this third wave is going to be complete, and how it gets up there, whether this wave, it makes this wave like this and does a correction like that, I don't know. My suspicion is that it's going to be possibly something like that, and then this third wave is going to be even higher, and then you're going to have a fourth wave correction like that, or it could be something like this, and then they'll have like that fourth wave correction, and this is the fifth, and maybe the third's up there, and then the fourth, this fourth wave is going to be comparable in size to this wave. So this went from March of 21 to July 21, so 4 months, something like that. March, April, May, June, yeah, 4 months. And then this wave right here will probably be a nice little correction, and then it'll push up onto a fifth wave like that, guys. So something like that is kind of the what I would be checking out and looking at for near protocol. And then if you want to know how this area will make you a millionaire, is that if you get near protocol, just running some numbers, let's say you get near protocol to say $4, let's say $4 right there. Okay, $4, and then it runs up to this 100, and then possibly I have a higher end target of say 300 bucks. Okay, I'm gonna run some numbers here. Be 75x, and then if you have 13, about 13, somewhere between 13 to $16,000-$17,000 in this area. And there's a higher probability of this coin that you could do that and run this up to that coin. And if you play it right, you could have $1 million at the end of this run. All things considered, okay? It's definitely a gamble and it's definitely a risk. So not financial advice, but this will be the area I would be DCAing in. And it's actually one of the things I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be looking at. It's going to be one of my strategies, and one of my bags will be there. And you can ride this wave up all the way up here. First target is going to be about that $100 area, and then riding, and depending on the conditions of the market, you check it out. And then my area beyond that will be that $300 area for near protocol. And the only reason is because of the sequence, because it's in a wave 3 of a 3. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.